morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Major General Gary J. Valesky and Command Sergeant Major Gregory Nowak, welcome to our Division Colors Casing Ceremony.
The Joint Forces Command United Assistance cased the 101st Airborne Division Air Assault Unit colors during a ceremony held at the Barclay Training Center in Monrovia, Liberia. The color casing represents the completion of the 101st Airborne Division's mission. During the ceremony, Major General Valesky and Command Sergeant Major Nowak presented a gift award to Liberia's Minister of Defense, Honorable Brownie J. Samukai, and the St. Maurice Award to the Armed Forces of Liberia Chief of Staff, Brigadier General Daniel Zion Khan.
Tired of colors.
Prior to the casing, Major General Valesky highlighted JSCUA's accomplishments and their continued effort to bring a normal way of life back to Liberia.
While our large-scale military mission is ending as the 101st departs Liberia, the fight to get to zero Ebola cases will continue, and the JFC has ensured capabilities we brought will be sustained in the future.
Reporting from Monrovia, Liberia, I'm Army Sergeant Zila Winstead.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the ceremony. Thank you for attending.